everyone, this is Mary
And Jay.
and we have a new YouTube channel called
Hello, Cruise.
Hello Cruise, and we wanted to invite you along on our next adventure. And this weekend we are going to be
Leaving from Galveston on the Harmony of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, and headed to the Bahamas. Perfect day at Coco Cay, and back to Mexico, and then back home. It's an 8-day cruise.
Yeah, so we haven't never been to Perfect Day at Coco Cay.
Yeah, we're excited about that.
Yes, we're very excited. Have you been to Coco Cay yet? Let us know in the comments. But we want to tell you a little bit about us. So we are newly retired.
Yay!
And I am a Texas realtor, and
I am a former controller and just recently retired, and we love cruising.
yeah, we love cruising. So we wanted to bring you along on our adventures. So stay tuned and we will see you soon. Bye.